Apple engineers are watching this launch closer than any Android phone in years. Here's why the Pixel 11 Pro should scare them. August 12th. That's launch day. And normally I don't even make Pixel videos, but this year's different. Because the story this year isn't the hardware, it's what's happening underneath it. And it's a bigger shift than people realizes. Let's do hardware quick. Tensor G6, first time on a 2nm node, and rumored to finally leave Samsung's foundry for TSMC. Bigger deal, the modem. Pixel's Exynos modem was the source of years of network complaints. This year it switches to MediaTek. Battery stays around 5,000 mAh. Not the 6,000 or 7,000 you're seeing elsewhere, but charging bumps up to 45 watts. PATs. 4 models this time: Pixel 11, Pro, Pro XL, and Pro Fold. No wide fold like Samsung or Apple's Fumid Foldable. Google's skipping that fight, Pixel Glow. The old temperature sensor is gone, replaced by an edge lighting notification glow around the camera module. Okay, hardware done. Now here's the part that actually matters, and the part Apple should be paying attention to. We used to think of AI on phones as an app, a feature, a button. That era is ending. Now it's the entire experience. It's built right into the phone, like this one. I wouldn't be shocked if in 2 or 3 generations, Android itself gets absorbed into something closer to a full Gemini operating system. Pixel 11 ships with Android 17 and Gemini Intelligence out of the box. And this is where we get our first real look at that direction. Multi-step agentic tasks are real now. Say, find a movie nearby, check showtimes, and take me there. And it just does it. One prompt, multiple actions. You can also ask AI to build you a custom widget on the spot. Not pick from existing ones, actually generate one for the app you need. Magic Q is context aware. It knows what's on your screen right now, and you can just ask it questions or have it take action directly. Even the camera gets an AI coach, real-time guidance on framing your shot as you're taking it. And honestly, I think we've only heard the surface. Full event coverage will likely reveal even more AI features we don't know yet. But here's my one worry. Rumors say the base model ships with just 8 gigs of RAM. Let me show you why that's a problem. This is 8 gig, and this is 12 GB. See the difference? If you actually want the full Gemini Intelligence experience, you need at least 12 gigs. The base model may not fully deliver it. And it won't come cheap either. Expect prices to climb $50 to $100 over last year's Pixel. In markets like India, that top RAM variant could easily cross 6 figures in rupees just to unlock the real AI experience. Which means a lot of people who want these features simply won't be able to afford them. Here's a stat people forget. Pixel isn't even officially sold in most countries. Google isn't chasing volume here. This feels less like a mass-market phone and more like a showcase device, a place to preview where Gemini AI is headed. And that's exactly why this matters beyond Pixel. Features debuting here trickle down to every Android phone, and yes, possibly influence Apple too. Apple has always played the long game with AI. But if Google ships true agentic AI first, Apple can't afford to look slow. Camera hardware's incremental upgrades, nothing revolutionary, but there's one new design detail worth mentioning. Let me circle the camera bump on this printed image. This new design detail is a small change, but it makes the phone feel more premium. So no, the Pixel 11 Pro isn't winning on hardware. It's setting the blueprint every other phone, including iPhone, will eventually follow. So here's my question for you. Are you excited for actual agentic AI on your phone, or worried about the price tag that comes with it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Genuinely curious if Pixel fans think this is worth the price jump. Let me know what you think. If you want the full breakdown once the event actually happens on August 12th, make sure you're subscribed. I'll have it covered.